So, ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano pag-solve ng fractional equation. Okay? So, meron tayong equation, kukunin natin yung value ng x. Okay? So, x plus 4 over 5 all over 5 is equal to 2. Okay? So, ang denominator ng 2, understood ng 1, tama. So, ang gagawin natin, cross multiplication ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, x plus 4 times 1, the answer is x plus 4, of course, equals 5 times 2, the answer is 10. Okay? Then, combine similar terms. Pagsamahin natin sa kabila yung 10 at saka 4. So, positive magiging negative 4. So, 10 minus 4. So, x is equal to 10 minus 4. The answer is 6. So, the value of x is 6. Okay? Next, 5x over 2 minus 4 is equal to 8. Okay? So, same ang gagawin natin. So, 5x all over 2. So, combine similar terms. Pagsamahin natin, ilipat muna natin yung negative 4. So, maging positive 4. So, 8 plus 4. So, 5x all over 2. So, 8 plus 4, the answer is 12. Then, cross multiplication. So, 5x times 1, the answer is 5x. Then, 2 times 12, the answer is 24. So, kung ano yung kasama ng x, yun i-divide natin. Dahil ang kasama is 5, i-divide natin both sides 5. So, cancel natin. Tira is x. So, 24 divided by 5, wala tayong makuha. So, copy natin. So, 24 over 5 ang value ng x. Next, number 3. So, 3x plus 3 all over 6 is equal to 7. So, walang numbers na nasa loob na whole number, kaya automatic mag-cross multiply na tayo. Okay? Unlike sa number 2, linipat natin yung 4, ay negative 4. So, 3x plus 3 times 1, the answer is 3x plus 3. Then, 6 times 7, the answer is 42. Then, combine similar terms. Ilipat natin yung 3, positive 3. So, pag linipat natin sa kabila ng equal sign, mag-change ng sign. So, magiging negative 3. So, 42 minus 3. 3x is equal to 42 minus 3. The answer is 39. Divide natin both sides by 3. Okay? So, kasi, ang kasama ng x ay 3. So, x is equal to 39 divided by 3, the answer is 13. So, the value of x is 13. Next, number 4, example. So, 3 over 2x minus 4 is equal to 1/4. Same process ang gagawin niyo, cross multiply. Okay po? So, try nyo po, then sagutan nyo po, then ilagay sa baba. Okay? Thank you and good luck.